Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and in-depth analysis on the commodity markets. I'm Neena, and today, on the 17th of May 2024, we have some crucial updates on CBOT wheat futures that you won't want to miss. Chicago Board of Trade wheat futures have been on a roller coaster this week, continuing their upward trend. On Friday, we saw prices rise once again, following a significant peak earlier in the week. Prices had reached a near 10-month high on Wednesday, hitting $6.97 a bushel. So, what's driving these price movements? The primary factor is concern over Russian wheat production. Russia, being the world's largest wheat exporter, has reported some troubling news. The Russian Agriculture Ministry disclosed that frost has damaged about 1% of their total crop. This adverse weather condition has contributed to the rally in wheat prices. However, it's not all upward momentum. Expectations of a strong US crop have somewhat tempered these gains. An annual tour of Kansas wheat fields, a top US winter wheat state, has revealed better than average yields. Improved moisture levels have played a significant role in this, with scouts estimating the yield potential at 46.5 bushels per acre. This is a substantial increase from the 5-year average of 42.4 bushels per acre. Additionally, the U.S. Department of Agriculture reported last week's export sales. New crop U.S. wheat sales were at 304,300 metric tons, and old crop U.S. corn sales were at 742,200 metric tons. Both of these figures were near the lower end of trade expectations. Adding to the complex picture, commodity funds were net sellers of CBOT wheat futures contracts on Thursday. This selling activity by funds often influences market sentiment and pricing. To sum up, while Russian crop concerns have pushed wheat prices up, the strong outlook for the US wheat crop and mixed export sales data have kept gains in check. It's a dynamic situation, and we'll keep you updated with all the latest developments. That's all for today's update on CBOT wheat futures. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching Ajayastro Money Guru. Until next time, keep investing wisely.